Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you quickly what I use for my morning face routine. And I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram about the products I use, so I thought I better show you guys. Pretty much just have on whatever's left on my eyes. But what I do when I wake up is I start with the Skin Authority Reviving Eye Brightener. I've been using this for the last couple months and I am such a fan. Just rubs underneath your eyes, and you can put this under your eyes and also on your lids. You can kind of feel it's cool, and then it kind of tightens a little bit. You can just feel it's working, which is great. I use the Connelly Glow Activating Anti-Wrinkle Serum. It's a mouthful, but I swear by this stuff. It is amazing. I already look young, but with this, I'm going to be looking so young. I just put it anywhere that kind of my fine lines show through. You can put it on morning and night, face and neck, kind of all over. It smells so fresh and clean. I love this stuff. I'm not sure if you guys have heard me talk about Johanna Ferguson's daily serum. This is another serum that I've been using every day for the last few months, and I just love it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's this gooey green liquid, and I just pat this on my face. All over. And my neck. The next product I'm going to talk about is so important, especially since it's summer and the sun is shining hot and there are so many rays that are bad for your skin. I've been using Clinique's SPF 50 mineral sunscreen. It's light, it doesn't clog your pores. I just put this on underneath my makeup, just to make sure I have that extra protection. Everyone say hi to Jason.
Hey.
Jason's always interrupting my videos, but you gotta love him. He's so cute. All right, last but not least, the last step before I put on my makeup. Remy Bear, hey, come here. Come here. Come here. That's a no. I just got denied. Anyway, last up, I've been using the Beca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. Mouthful. But this is great. This kind of gives you a dewy look. And it feels so good on your skin. So I have it on. I'm hoping you guys can see kind of how fresh my skin looks. Now after that's on, all you have to do is put on your makeup and you're done. These 5 products I've been using and loving. I will link them all below. If you guys are new to watching my channel, thank you so much for joining, and you can subscribe below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully I see you guys next time.